over the winter, we decided to raise the beds, which means we had to lower the walkways. And when we did that, we realized the way the hill is where we live, that the water was going to be running down these walkways and running away. And we decided to keep that water. So in these trenches, we left soil like this. In other words, the water will run down behind me, come up here, and then this is a dam in this raised bed walkway. And so the water will pile up here, it can't go anywhere, so it'll be forced to soak in. And that water will soak into the lower levels of the bed and water the plants over a long time. And we've done that at the head of the bed and at the foot and also here in the middle, so that we're catching the water multiple times, and only in the heaviest rains will water get away.